In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images bigger on Weebly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a hobbyist looking to enhance your website, adjusting the size of your images can really make a difference. So let's dive in. First, let's start by navigating to Square's free appointment scheduling software and booking app. This might seem unrelated, but bear with me. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the sign in button. If you're not automatically redirected, just make sure you're signed into the correct account. After signing in, head over to your Square dashboard. This is your central hub for managing different services, including Weebly, so it's always a good idea to be comfortable navigating this space. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click on the Weebly component. This will guide you to the overview section of Weebly. Here you'll see an option labeled website. Click on it to proceed. This action will lead you to your list of sites on Weebly. Find the site you wish to work on and click Edit Site. This opens up the Weebly editor where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Weebly editor, let's focus on enlarging those images. Look for the specific image you want to tweak. Once you've found it, click on the image. Doing this will bring up various editing options. Among these, you'll see a Customize button. Go ahead and click that. This feature is quite handy when you're aiming to tailor your website's appearance to match your unique style or brand. Next up, select Layout and Color. It's your go-to section for adjusting the overall style and arrangement of your website's components. Under this tab, you'll find an option simply labeled Layout. Click on it. Here, you'll have the ability to modify the size of your images, providing a more customized and appealing visual experience for your website visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed to make your images bigger on Weebly. This technique not only enhances the visual appeal of your website, but also potentially improves user engagement, a critical factor in maintaining a successful online presence. If the images on your website now look more pronounced and vivid, then you've done a great job. If any of these steps were unclear or you need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't hesitate to revisit any section of this video if you need a quick refresher. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing the improvements you've made to your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.